Hey there! So, we have a problem to tackle today. Our challenge revolves around creating a Likert plot using the HH package, but with a twist. The client requires visual patterns, like hatching, within each bar category to make the plot more accessible for colorblind users. Simply using grayscales or colorblind-friendly colors isn't cutting it this time. The goal is to add lines, crosses, or symbols to differentiate between categories like very happy, and so on. Quite an interesting requirement, isn't it? Now, diving into the solution provided to our dilemma, we've discovered that the HH package, being on the older side, lacks native support for pattern fills. This limitation led us to opt for a more flexible approach using ggplot with pattern. The code snippet we're focusing on ensures the data is reshaped and prepared to create the Likert plot with distinct visual patterns for each category. Various adjustments are made, from defining the plot aesthetics to setting custom patterns and angle values. In the end, we achieve a visually appealing Likert plot that meets the client's specific requirements. Quite a clever workaround, wouldn't you say? In summary, we've successfully navigated the challenge of enhancing a Likert plot for colorblind users by incorporating visual patterns. By switching to ggplot with pattern, we've been able to create a customized solution that meets the client's needs. Remember, when traditional methods fall short, creativity and adaptability can lead to innovative outcomes. And with that, it's time to wrap up. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding,